Hello students, welcome to your maths class. Today we are going to start a new chapter because we have already completed 2 chapters and so many things we have discussed about numbers, types of numbers, number systems, how many systems, how to write in different systems, how to expand, how to write in compact, all these things we have already discussed. So today we are going to discuss a new chapter, chapter 4, operations on large numbers. So what do you mean by this term operations? Operations means how to operate or how to use in our day-to-day life in different factors of life the terms, that is operations of large numbers. In our daily communication, in our daily life, how numbers or large numbers are being used, that we are going to discuss in this topic, operations of large numbers. Okay, I have written here 4 basic operations. We are very familiar with this 4 basic operations, that is your, I have written here symbol plus, minus, into, divide. That means this is addition, this is subtraction, this is multiplication, and this is for division. Clear? So these 4 basic operations we are going to discuss because we are very familiar or very close to all these types of operation in our daily life. So today we will discuss about this first operation, that is your addition. I have written here addition. So from this word addition, you can think that what do you mean this addition? It's coming from add. Add means what? To make it close or to make it a single value. Okay. I have written addend. I think you don't know about this term. This is a new term. This is a mathematical term. That is your addend. Okay. It was first used in early 19th and comes from a Latin word addendus. Remember this term addendus, which means to be added. To be added. What do you mean by this? To be added. Okay, we are going to discuss about this. This to be added, which is the meaning of this addendus. Okay. Suppose a common thing, we have 2 eyes, okay, and we have 2 ears. So if we will add this, then what you will get? You will get a single value. Okay. So that means these 2 terms are added and we are getting a single value. So addition means to be added, to make it combine and we will get a single value. So this addend, it is used in early 19th and it is coming from a Latin word. Okay. We can say this addend or we can say the term addendum also. Okay. The both of meaning is same, to be added. Okay. Addendum or addend means to be added. So what we are going to add? A single value cannot be added. So we need more than one to make a single value. Suppose I am writing here 35 plus 68 plus 20. Okay. That means we are going to mix all these 3 values. Yes. We are going to mix all these 3 values. So that means one value is required. Then we will add another value with that. That means this is second term. And we can make it more than 2, more than 3, more than 4. So many values we can add. I have taken one example by 3 members. Okay, we can say 3 participants. Clear? So here we can say this is one addend, this one also addend, and this one also addend. So all the participants in this addition process are called addend or addendum. Okay. Then we will add all these three participants. You know how to add? 35, 68, 20. We are going to add these three terms or numbers or values, whatever you can say. So three terms I have written. So how many digits? Each number carries 2 digits. So always we will start from ones place. Remember this. It may be addition, it may be subtraction. Always start from ones place. Okay. Then what you will do? You will add this ones place. This is ones. This is tens. Then 5 plus 8. How much it's coming? 13. Yes. But here 13 means 3 ones and here 1 tens. Yes or no? This is 1 tens. So it is 10 plus 3. It's coming 13. Yes. But we are calculating ones place means you will keep the ones digit here and this tens place will be carry forward to this 10th place. Place values we have already discussed. So you will keep 3 in ones place and you will carry forward 1 to tens place. Okay. Then come to tens place, you will add this one. 6 plus 3, how much? 9. 9 plus 2, 11, and 1 carry forward is here. So 11 plus 1, how much you are getting? This is 12. So after addition of all three values, we are getting 123. This is coming here 100 place. So 123. Then this is one addend, this is also addend, and this one also addend. And after addition, whatever answer is coming, that is called your sum. The term is called sum. Okay. Then each of the number that are we add is called an addend or addendum. Each of the number that are we add. We have already discussed the examples. So 3 participant means all the participants or all the numbers are called addend or addendum. Then the resulting number is called the sum. Okay. After addition, the whatever answer you are getting, that is called your sum. So remember these two terms, addendum or addend are called the number. Each of the numbers are participating in the addition, and after addition, whatever result you are getting, that term is called your sum. Okay. We are going to discuss a large number, how to add. Okay. I am taking one example. Suppose 2, 3, 4, 8, 6, 9, 4, 9, 6, 7, 0, 8, 2 and 73. This is one question and it's asking find the sum. Okay, so we will discuss this example here. So how many numbers are given? This is one number, this is one number, and this is one number. 3 numbers are here. So first what you will do, you will arrange all the numbers. How to arrange? According to place value, you will write in column. You will arrange in column. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 8, 6, 9, then 4, 9, 6, 7, 0, 8, 2, then third one is 73. This is called arrangement in column. We have already arranged according to place value. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100 place, this is 1000 place, this is 10,000, this is lakh, and this is 10 lakh. Like this we have arranged. Then what you will do? Put a symbol of addition because we are going to add. Yeah. Here this one is called what? Addend. This one also addend, and this one also addend. All the members are called, or all the participants are called addend here. Okay, let me start the addition. From ones place we will start. 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. So what you will keep? 4 here because 4 is in ones place, and 1 will be carry forward to tens place. So 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 6, how much? 21 plus carry 1, how much? 22. Again 2 will keep here, then another 2 will be carry forward to next place, means 200 place. So 2, 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 0 is again 10. So keep here 0, then 1 will be carry forward here. 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12. 2, again 1 carry. 6 plus 3, 9 plus carry 1, 10, 0 plus 1 carry. 9 to 11 plus 1, 12, 2, 1 carry. 4 plus 1 is 5. This is your carry forward addition, and this term after addition the resulting number is called your sum, because question was there, find the sum. Now we got the sum. This is your sum. So what you will write here? Comma, comma. If Indian system if we will calculate, then it's 52,02,024. This is your sum. Okay. So this is all about your addition, and next class we will discuss another operation, that is your subtraction.